Wow.
On December, I always like give back. Introduce you guys to my new baby. Christmas is the most wonderful time of the year. This is my first ever Christmas tree. Good morning guys, how are you doing today? I hope you guys are doing amazing. Now for the last 2 days I was in the city, that's why we did not have a video, and today I am back here in the countryside. So as you guys can see on the title down below, today we are going to make my first ever Christmas tree. I know some of you guys may have noticed that I already had a Christmas tree here in the living area, but that Christmas tree is actually very small. It looks pretty, but it's just that it's very small, and I really wanted to have a big Christmas tree, so I decided to go to the city and get a bigger one, and finally I have it, and I'm so excited because we are going to make our Christmas tree for this year together. So anyway, before we begin though, please do subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. Without further ado, let's start. Alright guys, Merry Christmas! Advance Merry Christmas to each and every one of you. So I have here Syra. Say hello.
Hello.
And I have here Margot.
Hello.
Okay, so these two kids are going to help me to build our Christmas tree. Now, to share to you guys, my initial plan to have a Christmas tree is really white. So as you guys can see, we have a white Christmas tree over here. This is quite tall. Now, I think you guys will not be able to see it in camera, like the length of it, but later we are going to show it to you guys. On my previous videos, you guys saw that we have this small Christmas tree, which is here. It's actually very small, as you guys can see, but yeah, I wanted to have a really big Christmas tree because this is my first ever Christmas tree and first ever Christmas for my province house, and I want it to be special, and yeah, that's why I'm documenting it as well and sharing it to you guys.
This is my ball. It's very big.
We have finally assembled our Christmas tree, and this is exactly what I really want, and that's the height. It's actually very tall, and I truly love it. It's so pretty. It's white, and now we are going to put the Christmas balls here in our Christmas tree. We are here in the kitchen because I was trying to do it there in the living area, and it was so dark. I don't know why. I keep trying to like turn around the camera and stuff, but I just couldn't find the lighting. But the best lighting is obviously here in the kitchen because the back door is here and we have some sunlight coming in. So yeah, we got the perfect lighting for our Christmas tree, and look at that. It looks so pretty. I love the color white, and especially our theme for this year's Christmas tree, guys, is going to be silver and gold, and I think you guys have noticed that already in my previous little Christmas tree. But yeah, anyway, Syra and Margot is gonna give me all the Christmas balls. They're also gonna help me put the Christmas balls over here. So let's go ahead and do it. While they are gathering all of the Christmas balls there behind me, I'm just gonna talk about Christmas, guys. For me, Christmas is the most wonderful time of the year. This is the most exciting time of the year as well because it's about family, it's about gift giving, it's about happiness, and you know, I just love Christmas. This is my favorite season of the year as well. There's Syra. She got the gold Christmas balls. And then where's Margot?
Hi.
Where's the Christmas balls? There you go. I think we should start from the bottom, guys, from the very bottom. So you guys can see it. We're gonna put the camera down like this. Current progress, guys. This is how it's looking with the gold Christmas balls, and we have the biggest one that we put in. Now we're gonna work on with this, like the silver one. This is our current progress of our Christmas tree. Ta-da! My father is helping us as well. It's a big one to actually decorate, so that's how it's looking. I love it. It looks so pretty. So I'm a bit hungry doing the Christmas tree, guys, so I'm having my breakfast. I got here some egg, bread, and a cup of fresh milk. And the kids, they're eating some mushi manju. Is it good?
Yeah. Yes.
Delicious? Yeah. Is this your first time eating it?
Yeah.
So mushi manju is a Korean cake. That's how it's looking. I got it from the city yesterday and we put it in the fridge. And it's actually got some filling inside and it tastes so good. It's one of my favorite. Alright guys, so our Christmas tree is already finished. That is how it's looking right now. It is actually very tall. It almost touched the ceiling, but look how pretty that is. I love the color white. And ta-da! So yeah, that's our Christmas tree. Do you guys like it? Let me know in the comment section down below. It would be nice if we're gonna put some Christmas lights so soon. I'm gonna try to get some Christmas lights for our Christmas tree. There you go. Nice. Hey guys, it is in the afternoon now and I just woke up from a nap. I've been napping here in the country. I don't know why, because I think of the air. It's fresh air and it can really make you sleep. It's cold. I don't really need any air conditioner or whatnot. But anyway, Scarlett is in the living area. I'm always happy when Scarlett is here. But I'm gonna introduce you guys to my new baby. Aww. I actually bought this because I don't have someone to hug anymore at night since Tom is not here. So I have here, ta-da! So say hi to baby Ellie. That's my new baby, guys. So she is my hugger now from this time and on until we are going to meet Tom. So yes, this is my baby. She's very fluffy. I actually got this in SM in Miniso. Yeah, it's very nice. I love it and it's very huggable as well. So this is my new addition here in my bed. So yeah, anyway, we're gonna go ahead and go out. Say hi to Scarlett. Hi, say hi. Hello, say hello. Right, let's take a walk outside, guys. This is the terrace. It's still not finished. I think you guys can hear that someone is doing video, okay? They've been doing it this afternoon. That's why I just decided to like sleep. I cannot really do a video, to be honest, if there's music or anything, because it will be copyrighted, and if that happens, then it's not good for the video. So the house is there. Actually, by Sunday, the builder is going to work on the terrace, and instead of actually having the terrace wall hardy flex, I just decided to make it wood, or like those 2x2 wood that I have still, and we're just gonna paint it white. And it actually is good because, you know, I will be able to use the wood that I have, and also it will be fresh, like, you know, the wind can come in and out of the terrace. So yeah, he's gonna work on that later on. And by the way, guys, I'm gonna show this one to you. It's over here. It's really nice. My mom did it. Actually, we have a really big garden, as you guys can see. This is a very good for parking lot, or but we don't have a car. We have motorbike. This is also good for parties, or there are some events and stuff. And I'm gonna share to you guys as well that we are gonna be having a Christmas party soon here in the countryside. If you guys have watched my previous video on December, I always like give back to the community here. So I give them baskets of joy, which includes rice or some groceries and some milk, coffee, whatever. I open a GoFundMe account, which I have already closed, and that GoFundMe money that I was able to gather, that's what I'm going to use for the Christmas party that we will be having here in the country. I will go to the city to get all the stuff And yeah, I'm very excited for that. You guys can witness it, and I want to thank you everyone for supporting that GoFundMe. I truly appreciate you all, and yeah, from the bottom of my heart and from the people here, advance thank you. I'm gonna show you guys something. Okay, look, so this is the road, right? And then my mom planted here some San Francisco, and once they will be alive, it will actually look so good. So we have some plants over here, so she put it in here, and you know, that's like the entrance of the area. My mom's store is there, still not finished, it's empty, and she got a lot of plants. And also this is the house, guys. So as you guys can see, it is really a big area. So it starts from there, from that, and then it goes all the way down. So that's how the house is looking. Nice. It's a beautiful day today, guys. Actually, it has been so sunny, like it was so hot, and I was thinking of trying to do my laundry, but I was really lazy today, so I decided not to. So hopefully tomorrow we will have the same sun. We have there a cow, and then yeah, my father was planting this as well. And by the way, guys, just today I decided to have this tree over here cut. It was already half. They were cutting it because this tree is really big, and this is not good because this is called dakit, and they have like superstitious belief about this kind of tree, that if you will let it grow, then there could be someone that's gonna live in it. I don't know why, but anyway, yeah. I love this fortune plant that we have in here. We have this really big tree. Nam ka ni?
Kahit ko.
Wow! Wait lang, sit down. Kakukpan.
Wow.
Wow! Sit down ka ro.
Tanta.
Okay. Wow! Lami? Wow! Lami no? Lami? Kaya tita di?
Jatuh tuh kita. Jatuh tuh.
Dapat ta? Iro dito. Lami no? Guys, let's eat. Mango float. My favorite. So good. Lami?
Kita.
Huh? So for our dinner tonight, we're going to have chicken adobo. So the very first thing that I'm going to do is I have the chicken here in the pot because we are going to simmer the chicken for 5 to 10 minutes. I got water in there, and then we are going to put some soy sauce, and we have some vinegar. I'm also gonna put some garlic and a little bit of onion. If you guys want to watch the full video of this, you guys can go to my previous video. I did a video about how do I cook chicken adobo when we were in Palawan. There are a lot of different options on how you can cook chicken adobo, but this is just how I want it. So I'm going to put first some soy sauce over to our chicken. Now I don't really have like a specific amount how much would I put. I'll just like calculate it how I want it to be. I'm going to put just a little bit of vinegar. The reason why we're doing this is to remove the you know that meat kind of smell of the chicken? Yeah, in order to remove that, we're going to simmer the chicken. 2-3 cloves of garlic. The simmer is already finished. I simmered it for about 10 minutes. And then right now, ooh, can you see this steam? And now I'm gonna put some olive oil to our pan because we are going to saute some onion and garlic. I don't have olive oil anymore. Okay, we have here some garlic. Okay, now we're gonna put in our onion. The smell of it, it's yum. Okay, there you go. And then right now we're going to transfer our chicken to the pan. All of the chicken was able to fit in this pan, so that's good. Now I'm just trying to let the chicken brown. I love like the smell of it. It smells so good because we simmered it earlier. And you can already tell that the chicken is already half cooked. This, I'm gonna put some water so we have some sauce. Soy sauce, vinegar, and also some laurel leaves, pepper to taste, and some seasoning. And that's pretty much it. So look, that's how our chicken adobo is looking now. And I am going to try to taste it. Smells good. So yum. So yum. Zaira is here. Okay, we're gonna have dinner in a few. I'm excited for this chicken adobo. Alright, bon appetit! Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Say bye bye.
Bye bye.
Love you.
Love you.
Like,
Bye.
subscribe.
Bye. Bye.
Good night.
Bye.